Hello and welcome to the Skyvia Data Flow series. Today's topic is Bufferizer component. In this video, we will demonstrate how Bufferizer works and we'll show you how to use it in your data integrations. By default, source components output data in batches of 2,000 records. However, while processing data, conditional split and lookup components may split data into batches of a smaller size. That's why the size of the batches reaching target components may vary. To set a specific size of the batch, use Bufferizer. Bufferizer catches input records and outputs them in batches of a defined size. To set the batch size, modify the row count parameter in Bufferizer settings. Increase the batch size to load more records per an API call, or decrease it to meet the target data source limitations or when smaller batches provide better performance. Let's check an example. Here, we get data from database, filter it with the help of conditional split component, and load it to Salesforce. To avoid situations when only a single record is being loaded to Salesforce per API call, we add Bufferizer before a target component in order to send data in batches of the fixed size and save the number of API calls. Please note that each data source has its own API batch size limitations. Moreover, different objects inside the data source may have their own limitations. Skyvia cannot exceed data source API limitations. If the maximum batch size set in Bufferizer is higher than the one allowed by the API, the buffered records will be split into multiple batches automatically. Thank you for watching the Bufferizer tutorial. In case of any additional questions, feel free to drop us a comment below. Have a great day and bye.